The true meaning behind one common cat behavior is catching many people off guard. New research shows that everything we believe about cats might be one giant misconception. Are those moody divas we call our pets actually mushy little balls of emotion? Could it be that cats and dogs are more similar than we previously thought? Experts at Oregon State University have uncovered the answers after years of observation. While you may think your cat, who just hissed at you for no rhyme or reason, is an arrogant rascal, the little ball of fur may see you as a special partner. Kitties are just full of surprises and hairballs. Since human babies, puppies, and baby monkeys have all showed signs of being securely or insecurely attached to their parents or guardians after a short period of separation, it got scientists thinking about how kittens would act in this type of situation. Would separation anxiety plague little kittens? Well, behavior studies would soon prove or reject the idea that cats could form secure bonds with their caregivers. Scientists at Oregon State University were on the case. Just like dogs, cats have been witnessed living in harmonious social groupings, but that all depends on factors, such as early developmental occurrences, resource distribution, and social interaction experiences, according to scientific journal Current Biology. In their study, those brainy scientists put kittens in their own rooms, with only a human caregiver to keep each one company. They spent exactly 2 minutes getting to know each other. The kittens were undoubtedly curious about their new surroundings. Said caregiver would then get up and exit the room for exactly 2 minutes, leaving the kitten alone. Those 2 minutes would give the new friends space to breathe and decompress from their introduction. Sure enough, 2 minutes later, the caregiver would return to the room to greet the kitty once again. Their behavior during the reunion would be telling of their level of bonding. This process is called a secure base test. The findings of the study were published in the scientific journal Cell Press, and the results may surprise you. There's much to know about felines that probably escaped your mind. They're complex beings. Like dogs, cats display social flexibility in regard to their attachments with humans. Kristen Vitale, study author and researcher at Oregon State University's Human-Animal Interaction Lab, explained of cats' behavioral habits. But not all cats have the same attachment style. It turned out that 65% of cats are securely bonded with their owners. The findings show that the relationship continues to be constant in adulthood. The little kittens don't typically outgrow their connection. We found that the attachment bond cats display toward their owners is very similar to the bond dogs share with their owners and even the bond human infants display toward their caretakers, Kristen disclosed. And we thought they were so different. On the other hand, some cats form insecure bonds with their owners. The insecurely attached cats showed signs of stress, which involved twitching tails, licking lips, and avoiding their owner at all costs. Believe it or not, the felines that leapt into their owner's lap, refusing to move, were also considered to be insecurely attached. This kind of behavior is an indicator of ambivalence. While they seemed mushy, there was a sense of crippling uncertainty. Cats that are insecure seem to act aloof. There's long been a biased way of thinking that all cats behave this way. But the majority of cats use their owner as a source of security, Kristen said. Even the kittens that went through a 6-week socialization training course did not deviate from their bond with their master. Some bonds are just unbreakable by nature. Kristen even said that cats actually depend on their owners to help them when they feel stressed out. This whole time you've likely been thinking that good old Sprinkles only required sustenance, but in reality, Sprinkles needs you for much more than that. We're currently looking at several aspects of cat attachment behavior, including whether socialization and fostering opportunities impact attachment security in shelter cats, Kristen relayed regarding future studies. We know it sounds bananas, but based on Kristen Vitale's findings, your cat loves you more than you know. They may show their affection and gratitude for you in odd ways, but they're not as antisocial and cold as you'd think. Kristen Vitale's secure base test findings only prove the unexpected emotional intelligence of our sassy, furry friends. You may think you have your feline figured out now, but there are plenty more surprises lurking behind those mysterious, golden cat eyes.